Say hi, Timmy. Timmy likes to be outside, even when it's raining. Don't you, Timmy? That's right, fall off the mat. Whole quarter-inch of it. I'm just gonna stand out here in the rain. I love this house. What was that? Timmy, leave the slug alone. Don't eat the slug. See, you should have brought me the salt. Now Timmy's trying to eat the slug. Back into the rain. Hey, if he's the idiot who wants to go stand out in the rain, he can get as soggy as he wants. He's a cat. It's not like he's a dog. He's licking the water off the plants. Meanwhile, it's his fault for not being a wet kitty like Timmy is. Because this is just random. Seriously, what cat licks the rain off of plants when he's got 2 water dishes?